Welcome to another episode of Tomes Tech. In this video, we're going to look at the Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. To start, I'm going to go to config.office.com. And if you've never seen this portal before, it's a good one to check out. As you can see up here, we got Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center, and they kind of explicitly call out the site helps IT administrators deploy, manage, monitor, and secure Microsoft 365 apps within your organization. You will need permissions for this within Microsoft 365. And then a couple other options down here. You have the option to create a new Office deployment configuration, and then you also have an option to import your configuration and modify it. Most of the time, I feel like creating a new configuration is the best approach, but if you want to import one and make some changes to it, you're more than welcome to. So let's go ahead and sign in here and just take a look at the portal overall. So I'm going to click sign in. And I'm greeted at this screen that says, hello admin, save time with cloud update. So I have some kind of general information here, office policies, device configuration. Once again, that's kind of what we saw before, where you can create XMLs for deploying your office apps. And then if we go here, so we have the home page, we have cloud update, which is a newer feature, which allows you to kind of configure your updates for your M365 apps through this admin center. We also have customization, and you can once again do your configuration for your M365 apps. And then there's also policy management here. You can create policies in here. Kind of a underrated feature if you want to control your policies in the cloud and you don't have maybe access to Intune or group policy. This is a tool you can use for that. One of the cooler features I think in here is Apps Health, and I do not have Apps Health provisioned in here. So as you can see, if you haven't set this up, it can take a little bit for them to start populating it with data. And what they'll have is they'll have kind of security updates in there. You can look at service health, and then you can look at OneDrive sync data. And this is actually pretty helpful if you have a large organization. You really can get a good look at some of your apps health. I've personally found this to be a good tool. There is, if you use add-ins at your organization, there are add-in health kind of type data that you can look at. You can see are certain apps crashing more than others. So it's a pretty cool feature that I would recommend you check out. And then one of the kind of final ones here is inventory. This is essentially pulling inventory of all the users in your environment who are logged into Office. That's essentially what's triggering it. As you can see down here, I have some add-ins here. I can click show all add-ins, and you can get some more data here. This one shows, it's data streamer for Excel, the version, the application, architecture, number of devices. So that's pretty helpful. Overall, the M365 Apps Admin Center is a pretty cool feature, and I will go into more tutorials in the future about it. Go into cloud update, and we'll look at doing some policies or a device configuration. So that's it for now, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on the Microsoft 365 suite.